It's like he doesn't hear a word I say. His mind is somewhere far away, and I don't know how to get there. It's like all he wants is to chill out. Makes me wanna pull all my hair out, like he doesn't even care. You, we're face to face, but we don't see eye to eye. Like fire and rain, you can drive me insane, but I can't stay mad at you for anything. We're Venus and Mars, we're like different stars, but you're the harmony to every song I sing. And I wouldn't change a thing.
She's always trying to save the day, just wanna let my music play. She's all or nothing, but my feelings never change.
Why?
I try to read her mind. She tries to pick a fight to get attention. That's what all of my friends say.